Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Z Fold 7 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's begin with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Then let's find the contact which you'd like to edit and tap on it. And then tap on this edit icon, so the pencil icon. Now we can change the profile picture just by tapping on this circle, because if we will tap on this rectangle, you can see that allow all, we will be able to change basically the background screen when this specific person is calling. And of course you can choose something from your gallery and set something from your own photos, so the photo of this person, or you can take a photo of someone who's right in front of you, or you can simply pick a solid color. So as you can see, this is how it will look like. And as I said, obviously you can choose the photo of someone, but the exact profile picture is right here, so the circle. So let's tap on it. And now you can either choose something from your gallery. You can tap on camera and your device will immediately open the camera app. You can also create the Galaxy avatar, or you can choose something from those presets and set them as a profile picture, which is a nice option if you did not have the photo of someone whose contact you'd like to customize. So let me choose something, tap on this plus icon, and as you can see, we do not have only people but also animals, which are more human-like, plants, which are fortunately only plants, and some kind of emojis and some kind of animated options. Here we've got also the settings, so you can reorder the stickers. Let me choose maybe this one. That's cute, and then tap on save. Tap on save, and as you can see, the contact has been updated. Here we've got our photo applied. You can see it on the contact list also. However, on the contact list it's not animated, and you will be able to see this photo during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.